What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back. So I'm back with another video, and I just wanted to share with you guys what's in this box. Now, I know I did a video a long time ago. Go ahead, click that I when you're done watching this video to check out my first purchase from Red Iguana by April Ryan. But as you can see, we have a much larger box this time because, girl, I just invested in myself, okay? Because for you guys, so I can be able to do the videos often. Um, I bought some additional items. So anyway, let me see. So these are the instructions, guys, that you get with your practice hand. Please, 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 if you are going to purchase a Red Iguana hand, please do make sure that you take good care, read these instructions and keep them as well. Follow her on follow Red Iguana on Instagram. They always have little tips and stuff like that, how to use your practice hand and how to best care for it. And also with your order, you do get a discount code. I use my discount code that I got the first time, this time around when I purchased it. So let me zoom you guys out just a little bit so you can just see how gorgeous this package is in there. But you know, her April Ryan and Kiera Sky both do a really excellent job in their packaging and how things look. So I'll be probably keeping the practice hands in this box. So this is what this looks like all the way around. These are custom made, so when you do place your order, you have to allow time to get it. It doesn't take a long time though. With this, I got two bracelets because I did order. Guys, you won't believe it, right? I didn't see another ring in here, but I did order a set that comes in this box. I did this time. Let me move this out the way. I did. Now, we kind of opened these up already. My apologies for all the rattling. I did order a pair. And it is mainly for my pictures, Instagrams, and stuff like that. Sorry, let me put that away. When I don't have, I know some of the designs that I do, you know, people are not going to, want those on their hand. But, guys, just look, right? I did the full hand. So I did the full hand, which looks like this. And I did do, of course, the posable one. This one is a little bit more heavier. These do, the silicone do collect a lot of dust. However, look at the cuticle pockets on here. Let me get you zoomed in so you can look at the cuticle pockets on this thing. I love, 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 love. Now, people talk about how expensive these practice hands are, but if you are a licensed nail tech or a nail enthusiast and you're really into practicing, I wish I had the funds at the time when I did my first practice hand to do both at the same time. But the details in this thing is immaculate. I don't even know if the camera's picking up on it. I'm going to zoom this in properly. Let's see. Let's see if we can get you guys zoomed in really good here so you can see the details of this thing. I love it. Like, this is excellent for pictures. I did the left and the right hand. The color is Anaulisa. So just look at the details. Just look. Do you see those details? And some people are freaked out by this, but these are silicone molds of, I don't know whose hand exactly. um, but the details, it's in the details, guys. These look, they look really, really good on pictures. So, but do keep in mind though, with screens, like your cell phone screen. Also, I'm actually shooting this video with the Canon DSLR camera. Um, so the color is not the color that you see on screen is not the actual color. This is like This is more in person. If you look at it more in person, is a light brown color. This is what this is. See, it gets little hair and stuff on them. But I'm sure you guys have seen many different videos in regards to the Red Iguana hands. If you guys have any additional questions, please do let me know. I mean, do you see the pores? Like it caught the pores. Jeez, I wish you guys can see this. Like I mean, like you see like the wrinkles and stuff on the knuckles and stuff like that. But whatever material or whatever silicone they're actually using, it is catching the entire, even the veins of the hand. It's catching all of them. So I've seen a lot of people, what they do is like if they're going to use any type of like think about like sweaters and stuff like that, they'll put on they'll put like a sweater or something or a jacket all the way up here, and it looks as if the hand is real in the pictures and stuff like that. So I got this to use more so I can get these videos out to you guys, as well as just having the additional practice. Sometimes when you are doing like custom art and things like that, you're the people that I normally practice on are not going to sit there for the entire time that it actually takes to do a custom set or to do like nail art and things like that. Sometimes those sets can take anywhere between like 2 to 4 hours, depending on how well you are actually, well, not how well, how detailed the nail art is. So I got these so I can. I wanted to get two hands simply because when it comes to my timing, I want to cut down on the amount of time that it takes me to complete a full set of nails. So I also have, let me grab this for you guys so you can see those little clips. I'm going to, let me find it. Okay. Okay. So this is kind of bent up, but let me zoom you guys out so you can see this. This clip is kind of bent up because I have it bent for my table. I had the first time that I purchased my hand, I accidentally purchased two of these anyway. So glad I did because these are always sold out on her website. I put this down on the bottom of my floor. I am so sorry that this is. I just take better care of my things. Let's just say that. Let me see how I got it twisted to clip on my table. But it's really easy to bend these and twist them to your liking. So let me show you how easy these things are to bend. They're strong. It takes a little bit of effort. I normally bend mine in like a circle just so I can pull it out. I'm going to attach this to the table so you guys can see it. I'm in my nail room at home. But, so when I do my videos, I attach one end to my table. And I'm just going to grab this one since this is right here. Let me bend that up a little. Just like that. And it holds it just fine. I need to do a better job at bending this, no lie, but this holds it really well. And I can bend it, move it, and everything. I put dirt, let me get this off of here. It bothers me. Okay, so when I'm working, I can work. Let me get you guys moved so you can see just how I have this in here. Again, I'm shooting from my DSLR. I need to learn how to use it too because like the lighting and the colors are not the actual colors that you guys see. So, what do you think? What do you think, guys? I say, girl, go on to purchase you a practice hand. That way, you know, if if you're like me, okay, if you're like me and inspiration hits you late at night, or there's some designs and stuff that you want to do, you may not have anybody available at 11, 12, 3 in the morning. If you can't sleep and you have insomnia or something and you want to come, if you're a YouTuber, or if you do any type of social platform things as far as your nails and stuff go, then you have somebody who would actually be available for practice day or night. So go ahead and choose the best practice hand for you. I hear a lot of people talking about that they wouldn't spend the money on the practice hands. I think it's a hell of an investment for you, and that you can keep for a long time as long as you take good care of it. All the information will be left in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out. Again, the colors that I have, I got the full practice hands. This is the left and the right hand. This is in the color Anaulisa. So I'll leave this in the description box below. If you have any additional questions, do let me know. As well as if you have not subscribed or followed me on my social sites up here in the upper left hand corner of this video, go ahead to be sure to follow me there, as I do post there before I post a video to YouTube. In the meantime, guys, go ahead and click that eye, watch more of my videos, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed. What's good, Tiff?